So we have to start with black, leaving white gaps. Similarly, how we did in the burger part, the ketchup part. Similarly, here we need to do like that way, white gap. After that, we need to start with the brown as well. So very carefully you need to observe it, and then we have to go. Now after this, just take your, also in the center is the center part, just the center. We need to add the black. We're leaving some white gaps in the center very carefully. In the curve. Now take the brown and just adding some line with brown wherever you see. Even the circles, we need to need to color the circles. Just leaving the gap around the circles. See how I'm leaving the gap around the circles. That way we need to color. With the soft hand you need to go, leaving some white gaps in the center as well. Now here I did one more thing added, like we added two colors in the bottom base, that is orange and peach. So while we're doing the orange, leaving some gap in the orange, you can see there's a gap in orange, and then smudge with that with on top with peach, leaving some white gaps as well after the peach also. Now after that we have to take pink and start with the pink first around the circles, then take your scarlet, is all the lines whatever you see what I am doing here with scarlet. If you don't have scarlet, please use a vermilion hue. And then orange, smudge with scarlet, leaving some white gaps only in the right hand side of the cupcake, not on the left hand side. After putting the orange, leaving white gaps, just smudge medium yellow or deep yellow. Here I am doing deep yellow. If you have deep yellow, please color deep yellow. If you don't have deep yellow, you can go with medium yellow as well. After finishing this much part, just go ahead with the deep yellow. Now deep yellow smudge. Very carefully to color. Now take your orange, sorry, scarlet, not orange, scarlet, and put lightly scarlet first. Very lightly you have to put scarlet. After putting the scarlet, you have to take your orange now. Sorry, not orange, medium yellow. Smudging with the scarlet. All the leaves inside lines will be dark green. Smudge with light green. Inside lines will be with scarlet, all the lines, and then on top smudge with red completely. Now take black and put black in the bottom of the cup cake, and then smudge with brown. After putting the brown, you have to put the lines tracing with black as well, and using a dual tick mark put brown, and then smudging that with white. Now take your black, just put some black, the lines with the black, the shape of the direction just like dual tick mark, it's like a dual tick mark, and then just dual tick mark with, then dual tick mark one by one. After putting the dual tick mark, just smudge that with white. Thank you.